Welcome back! In this tutorial, we'll focus on adding pictures to your document. Adding an image is a great way for pupils to illustrate their writing or be creative in their work. There are 4 ways to add an image to the document, which you can access from the picture icon in the document ribbon. First, you can browse the files on your computer, in your documents, or on your desktop. Or you can select a picture from the CricPix 2 library of curriculum-based images available with Clicker 8. Second, you can use the Paint tool to create your own images to put into the document. The third option is to use the webcam on your computer to take a photo. Finally, if you have text in the document, you can add images to keywords by selecting Picturize and choosing CricPix 2. You can resize a picture by dragging one of the corner handles, right-click an image to add a caption or a hyperlink. Thanks for watching. See our other tutorials for more Clicker features.